Incredible. One in a million.
It's an amazing sight Melissa Galetti and her coworkers at San Diego Whale Watch haven't seen in, well, ever.
Just when you think you've seen everything, Mother Nature throws you a curveball.
A pod of gray whales, an estimated 20 to 25 of them, spotted 5 miles off the coast. The discovery was made Monday during an afternoon excursion aboard the privateer tour boat.
It was just overall excitement when we first spotted the initial couple spouts, and then all of a sudden the rest of them started coming up, and a guest described it to me as like the Bellagio show in Vegas.
We showed Birch Aquarium Executive Director Nigella Hilgarth the jaw-dropping video.
What a beautiful sight.
Even she was perplexed.
It's really common to see pairs, but to see big groups like this is really, I've never heard of this before off our coast.
Hilgarth says it is normal to see lots of whales between now and March as they migrate to Baja for breeding season. As to why they were traveling in such a large group, she has 2 theories.
I know one possible explanation is that they are actually having trouble getting enough food, so they're beginning to try and migrate really quickly to get to the breeding grounds. And some of the females are actually even giving birth on the way.
Scientists will likely review the video for research purposes. Whatever the reason they come up with, this video has no doubt generated a buzz, especially among those who on Saturday were hoping to see the same.
You know what? I don't anticipate seeing that many, but I would see 1 or 2 and I would take it.
You might.
I might. Because you don't see whales in Minnesota.